Friday's Fractures, where I read you the first page of a story in an anthology, and we are going to continue our walk through the sunshine with K.A. Masters' Furnace and the Mountain of Hope. And we are going to find out if we like the story and we want to continue reading it, or you may also want to go find out about K.A. Masters' work. Please join me and see what you think. Now things grew worse. He saw the hooded creature in the shadow circling the bandits' camp, like a shark sizing up its prey. He could sense the monsters calculating the best way to kill every living thing in sight. In his heart, Furnace knew no torture that the humans could devise would possibly be as savage. His life was going to end very badly. The kobold closed his eyes, sending a prayer-like farewell to his mate. A whimper of regret escaped through the cloth of the gag as he imagined her soundly asleep in their nest, safe and warm. The image of her serene face as she slumbered provided him with a modicum of comfort as he waited for the end to come. Still dripping with the blood of its victims, the creature strolled over to the kobold and howled in rage and pain. With a flick of its wrist, his new captor grabbed Furnace by the collar and lifted him up so they could meet eye to eye. He could not see into the folds of the warrior's hood, but he easily recognized his lover's voice as she sneered, "Protect our women!" The kobold opened his mouth, but not to speak. Still weak from the cold iron that bound him, he shut his eyes and vomited all over the woman he loved. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you read the story and check out the rest of the anthology. Have a great day. Thank you.